So I was changing the air filter in my 2021 Volkswagen Atlas, and when I went to open the hood, the hood latch cable became dislodged and obviously does nothing now. And so here's a fix. If you get lucky like I did, I'll show you a temporary workaround for the issue. First things first is go ahead and stick this back where it belongs. If you don't, it will snap off when you shut the door. So when fortunately I knew what happened when it happened, because I had heard of the potential issue. And so what I did is the hood popped, so I was able to get it open. And then I figured out that right here is the junction that basically comes dislodged. And what happened, there's a steel cable that's attached there, and it just literally pulled out of that junction. It's just I guess it's a really poor design fitting or whatever, and it just literally pulled out. So knowing that if I shut the hood, I would never be able to get back to this easily. Technically, you can pull the inner fender lining out to get to it if you had to, but it'd be a real pain to do. So I took this little junction part right here. It's just a little pocket knife's all you need really to get it open. I took a piece of webbing that I had and tied a knot on it, and then zip tied it around, and that way it will not come loose. And as you can see, I can pull it and it opens the hood latch. And then what I did is I went ahead and tied a loop to it, and I have it just long enough so that it sticks out and you can get to it from underneath where the windshield wipers are. And so when I take this in to get warranty repaired by a VW, the tech can just simply, I'll show you, come back, reach in here, pull it, hood's popped. So if you get lucky like I did and realize what you've done, that's the way to fix it until you're able to have it repaired. This is not a permanent fix, so please get it taken care of.